telling me that, oh, life would be easier if you just ended it. Where was that respect before?
Daisy.
ያለችው sorry ይቅርታ እየተመለስኩ ነው ያለችው ምንድነው is that okay? Okay. ያለችው ምንድነው እኔ ሄጄ የወጥቼ ሄድኩት በእናቴና በእሷ ችግር ስላለብን አቢዝ ስላረገችኝ ስለ mentally ወይ ምናምን አቢዝ ስላረገችኝ ነው ወጥቼ ሄድኩት እንጂ ለአሌክስ ብዬ አይደለም የወጣሁት እና አስሬ እናት ትላላችሁ እንጂ እናት ማለት ምን ዋጋ አለው እንደ እናት እንትን ካላረገቻት ማለት ነው ትሪት ካላረገቻት በዛ ላይ ደግሞ ራስሽን ሂደሽ ግደይ ስትለኝ ጊዜ ነበረው አንቺ ብትሞቺ ጥሩ ነበር ያለች ትለኝ ነበርና ምን አይነት እናት ናት የምትለው ያው እኔ እናቷን ጀጅ ማድረግ አልፈልግም ያለችው ነው የምትረጉመው ያለውት ጋይስ
and Daisy don't cry okay don't get emotional like don't get
no it's not like, funny because everyone's sitting up here like Daisy, no because they've never lived through my abuse and everyone's just sitting up here just telling that I'm fake crying.
These people are ignorant. Listen, they're ignorant. Don't get upset. I told you earlier.
Copy and Daisy atalkashi እና ላውጋው አለ እዚህ የእናቷ ደጋፊ ቢሆንም ችግር የለም ያስተርጉምላችሁ ዮኒ ማኛ እዚህ ለጆን ዳንኤል እንኳን አልጠቀመው እንዳትወርድ ከፕሌን ብሎ ውኒ ቤት ነው የወረወረው እና አትስሚ ዴዚ አታልቅሺ
ዜዶ ማታቂውን የኔ እናቷ ደጋፊ አይደለም ስለዚህ ያለ ሰለሰ
ነበር አስተርጉምላቸው ለማለት ነው አንተ ማስተርጉምላቸው ችግር የለውም
ዴዚ two things right one stop crying like you're going to get a headache yeah you're going to get a headache stop crying second don't be emotional like I said some people understand you some people won't understand you so nobody like you just have to live with it okay I want so you have to understand is that some people say that you left the house because of the boy is because that's what like it seems like it because we know you for the past almost 2 years on TikTok right and you haven't mentioned that you've been
okay
abused.
Just because I haven't mentioned the abuse means I didn't go through
trust
it
me
just because
you're not again like you are like you care about the girl you don't care you're just sitting here being a mix up as well
trust me
no you don't I'm clearly from the talk
for a fucking 5 seconds like
no because you're pissing me off you're just coming here you're acting like you support you don't support her Daisy
shut up
I'm telling you this guy yeah it's my business because she's telling you about her mental health and you're sitting here acting like you care no you don't care about the girl you're actually so dumb
so
kick him out I'm telling you these people are
crying okay don't get emotional
you're just sitting here acting like oh don't get emotional oh don't but you're literally not a nice person yeah good Daisy
okay. No please I want everyone out just I want
Daisy
okay inbox
I want to say one thing just because I haven't brought up my abuse 5 years ago 4 years ago whatever that doesn't mean I didn't go through it at the end of the day stop accepting people none of you guys have lived how I've lived and that's that I'm tired of people laughing at me you guys don't take abuse serious that's fine have a nice